cars, in fact, the GTE, the GTD, and the following magic letters. It's sporty, it's dynamic. Here's the 8th generation Golf GTI. Mr. Brandstetter, good to see you again. What's so special about the GTI?
Well, the GTI is a sports car that makes heart speed faster and is affordable. That was true when it was launched, and it still is. And here's its recipe for success. Take a lightweight, compact car, put in a powerful engine, a dynamic suspension, and hey presto, you've got a sports car for everyone.
It's hard to believe that the GTI almost failed to see the light of the day.
Oh yes, when the GTI was launched in 1976, there were lots of discussions about how many units we were going to sell. Preliminary estimates said 500 units per year. But what can I say? In the meantime, we've sold 2 million units of this icon, a successful experiment, if you ask me.
Definitely. Tell us what makes the Golf GTI Mark 8 so special.
Well, obviously the Golf GTI has all the virtues of a Golf, but on the inside it's a digital revolution. Its design has become even sportier, and if you look at the front end, you'll see an illuminated radiator grille and LED headlights, which together form this wonderful wide horizontal bar, giving the car a powerful stance on the road. Underneath, there are the GTI's signature honeycomb patterned air intakes. They give the car a very sporty appearance. It's a great design feature with integrated fog lights. Really cool. That's what makes this Golf GTI so distinctive and special.
And about technical terms, in technical terms?
Well, in technical terms, this car has been completely revised. Inside, there are new digital controls. The digital cockpit is fitted as standard, and as fans of sporty driving will be pleased to hear that the suspension setup is now infinitely variable, thanks to a slider, and I can tell you that's great fun.
And now the customers can even choose how big a leap into the future they want to take. The GTE and GTI are Mark 8 and have the same power.
That's right, both the GTE and the GTI deliver 180 kilowatts, and just to wind up, let me say that Volkswagen customers can choose between different kinds of mobility, and I'm going to choose this GTI for this year's Word to Say GTI Festival.
Mr. Brandstetter, I hope you'll have fun at the festival. Otherwise, thank you for joining us today.